Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the differential fluid in a Nissan 350z. So this is what I'm going with, Motul Gear 300 LS, 75W90 synthetic fluid. This is rated for GL5. I believe in these cars you need at least GL4. So we're going to get started on it. First things first, you want to jack up the car. You want the car to be even, so when you fill it up it's going to be at the proper level. So I have the front raised up now, just have to raise up from the rear, and the jacking point in the rear, you can just do it right on the differential, right behind my cover. You can do it. So once you have it jacked up, you're going to go under here. I have the Z1 high capacity diff cover, so it's a little bit different, but you have the drain bolt here, and then the fill plug is right above here. So there's two of them. There's one up there and one right here. You want the lower one. That's going to be the fill plug. So first things first, you want to loosen up the fill plug, and then after that you can let it drain out through the drain plug. So we'll start that up now. Seems like it was a little overfilled maybe. Loosen up the drain, make sure you have your pan underneath. Okay, so I was wondering how this fluid is going to look, and it looks pretty good. And it has about a little over 30,000 miles on it, I believe, and still looks perfect. So I think it did a good job. Here's the magnet right here. So with the metal, there's a decent amount of metal on it. So you want to clean that up, and then let the fluid drain, and then plug up the drain, and then we can start to fill it. So now that the fluid is basically out, and the drain plug is clean, you want to put it back in. And also the Allen size is a 10, so the drain you want to just snug up. And then for this high capacity, I believe it's like 2.5 quarts, and the original is just 2. So I got 3, and this pump does not fit this properly because it's too long. So it's going to be a big mess. So it should be fun to watch. So after that, you just want to stick the tube in the fill and pump away. So after pumping the fluid in the fill port, it feels like it takes forever and it's really annoying, but after that it'll start pouring out of the fill port, and that's when you know it's full. So just let that drain for a little bit until it like barely drips out, and then you can put the fill plug back in. So now that it's dripping, you can clean your fill plug and then put it back in. Then when you snug that up, just clean the area, jack the car down, and you're ready to hit the road again. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.